Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey wearing a Christmas hat. Do you want to know why Bluey is wearing a shiny red Christmas hat today? Do you think it's because she found it under the tree because Santa left it, or because Mom made it sparkle with love? What's your guess, friends? One cozy December morning, Bluey woke up to see the living room full of decorations. Twinkling lights glowed on the tree, and shiny ornaments sparkled like little stars. On the table, there was a soft red hat with a fluffy white trim. Bluey's eyes grew wide. A Christmas hat! She picked it up and placed it gently on her head. It slipped down over her eyes, and she laughed. "It's too big." Bingo ran over, clapping her paws. "It looks so funny, Bluey." "Children, pretend you are putting on a hat. Does it fit, or is it too big like Bluey's?" Dad walked in with a grin. "That hat makes you look like Santa's helper." Mom smiled warmly, holding a tray of cookies. "Maybe it's a magical hat, Bluey. What do you think it can do?" Bluey's tail wagged. "Maybe it can make us dance, or sing, or even find hidden presents. Let's test it." Bingo cheered. "Children, wiggle your fingers like you're casting magic from a hat. What do you think will happen?" Bluey spun around, the hat wobbling on her head. She stretched her arms and twirled. "I feel sparkly inside," she shouted. Bingo giggled and joined in, tiptoeing in circles. Dad clapped his hands like drums, and Mum hummed a soft tune. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Soon the room was filled with joyful movement. Bluey hopped like a reindeer. Bingo skipped like an elf. Dad marched like a toy soldier, and Mum swayed like a snowflake. Children, choose your favorite. Reindeer, elf, soldier, or snowflake. Can you move like that now? The Christmas hat slipped again, covering Bluey's nose. She peeked out, giggling. "It's still too big, but it makes everything feel happy." Bingo leaned close. "Maybe the magic isn't in the hat, Bluey. Maybe it's in us." Dad nodded. "Yes, every laugh, every hug, every smile. That's the real magic of Christmas." Mum handed each of them a warm cookie. "And sharing together makes it shine even brighter." Children, hold your hands like you're holding a cookie. Imagine it smells sweet and tastes delicious. Bluey placed the hat gently on Bingo's head. "Your turn." Bingo's eyes twinkled. "It feels cozy, like love." She hugged Bluey tight. Dad leaned down to join, and Mum wrapped her arms around them. A big family cuddle filled the room with warmth. The lights on the tree glowed brighter, as if the house itself was smiling. Bluey whispered softly, "This hat might be special, but being together is the best gift." Children, hug yourself gently now like Bluey hugging her family. Feel warm, safe, and happy inside. The family sat by the glowing tree, waving with gentle smiles. Goodbye, friends. May your day be merry and bright. Close your eyes. Imagine Bluey with her red Christmas hat, sitting with her family, cozy and calm, filled with love and joy.